Hello, I'm Peyton, and this is my little brother, Ryder. We're going to be making homemade cinnamon rolls today. The first step is adding half a teaspoon of sugar. Next, we add a quarter cup of hot water to absorb the sugar. Next, we'll add 2¼ teaspoons of yeast. And now we wait 10 minutes for the yeast to activate. Now we add the remaining sugars. Go. Next, we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla. And we'll add milk. And my brother Parker, my assistant Parker, will add the eggs. And now we're headed to the mixer. Next, we are going to mix until it's well mixed. Now we add the flour and the salt. Parker, pour it. 3 flours. Can you let me help you? Here, let me flip. Here, let me do the rest. Ta-da! You're doing good. You get it, and then I do it. Do it to me. Pour. And then I do this salt. More salt. And next, we'll add the hook for the dough. My brother will push it down and lock it in. I'll turn it on medium until it's combined. Go ahead, Parker. Now we're going to increase the speed to medium-high. Until all the edges aren't sticking anymore. Look, I can move over this time. Now we're gonna add the softened butter and mix for 6 more minutes. Parker, add it together. We add both together. what's sticky. Since the dough is sticky, you'll want a very well floured surface. We'll knead this until the flour's all gone. Now we have our dough perfect. We're gonna let it rise for 2 hours. Now that the dough is risen, we can put the filling in. Now it's time to spread the filling onto the dough. Now that we get the fillings in, we gotta roll it up. Now it's time to put the cinnamon rolls in the pan.